If you're knocking doors right now, you're starting to notice that your back hurts more than it used to, your knees crack going up porch steps, and last summer felt longer than the one before it. I made this video specifically for you because I've been talking to door-to-door guys for the last few years who are killing it on paper, making 80 grand, 150 grand, 250 grand. And every single Sunday night, they get this knot in their stomach because they know what Monday looks like and they don't know what else they could do that pays the same. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what else. So a quick disclaimer up front, if you're brand new to door-to-door, like the first 90 days, this video isn't for you yet. Go stack some wins, learn how to handle a no, build the skill first. Because this video is for the guy who's been knocking for 18 months, for 2 years, for multiple years, whose wife is starting to ask how long you're going to keep doing this. And if that's you, stay with me because I'm going to lay out the exact play, the exact reason it works for guys with your skill set specifically. So here's the trap most door-to-door guys are stuck in and don't fully see. You go to your buddy who works a 9 to 5 or whatever, you tell him you're thinking about getting out and he's like, dude, just go get a regular job. So you start applying and you realize the $20 an hour jobs you can get with no degree wouldn't even cover your truck payment. So you stay on the doors because the money is real. And don't get me wrong, the money is real, but the lifestyle is killing you slowly. You're a 1099, you have zero equity in anything. You can't take a vacation without watching your check disappear. And the second you stop knocking, boom, the income stops with you. And that is the trap. Most guys don't see it for what it is, they just feel it. They feel like they're on a treadmill that's slowly speeding up. And the only options they think they have are A, keep knocking, or B, take a huge pay cut. And those are not the only two options because there's a third one. And once you see it, it's hard to unsee it. So here's the third option. You already have the most valuable skill in the entire economy. You can walk up to a stranger, build trust in 3 minutes, handle objections, and close in one sitting. Most people who work at jobs literally cannot do that. They will tell you they could and they cannot. So what if you took that exact skill and pointed it at something that paid you forever instead of just one time? That's what this video is about. And real quick, before I jump in, I'm not making this video to sell you a $1,000 course. That is not how I make my money. If you want my full step-by-step course, every outreach script, demo template, plus a one-on-one onboarding call with my team, everything you need to launch this thing, the kind of stuff that most gurus will charge $1,000 for, all you have to do is smash the like button, drop a comment down below telling me you're a door-to-door guy thinking about making a move, and I'll hook you up with a private link to unlock everything. It's 100% free. So what I'm walking you through is called a SaaS agency. SaaS just means software as a service over time as a service. And this model is simple. You set up local businesses with one piece of software that runs their lead follow-up, their reviews, their texting, their booking, their missed call response, all of it. They pay you $300 to $500, sometimes even $1,000 a month for as long as they're a customer of yours. So instead of getting paid one time when somebody signs up for solar, pest control, or alarms, you're getting paid every single month from a roofer, a chiropractor, med spa, an HVAC guy, anyone with a local business. And here's the part that matters. 30 clients at $500 a month is $15,000 a month. 40 clients is $20,000 per month. Just put that into door-to-door terms. That's the kind of money a top rep is making with their commissions, except this doesn't disappear when you stop. It only compounds. Now, this is the part where most people watching go, but Noah, every YouTuber on the planet is telling people to start an agency. Why is this different from me? Here's why. I'm not much of a YouTuber, as you can tell. And most guys who try to start a SaaS agency fail at one specific thing. They cannot pick up the phone or sit across from a local business owner and pitch them. They freeze. They overthink the email. They overdesign the website. They read 14 books. They never make the offer. You do not have that problem. You make 60 offers a day right now. You handle no for breakfast. You walk up to total strangers and say, hey, I want 10 minutes of your time. Most people on earth cannot do that, and you can. So when I tell you, hey, call 10 local businesses tomorrow with this offer, you actually will. And that's why the success rate for door-to-door reps who switch over is dramatically higher than for normal people. The skill transfers 1-to-1. the bottleneck that kills 95% of new agency owners doesn't exist for you. So if you're sitting there thinking, okay, I'm in, where do I start? Here's exactly what to do. Click the link in the description below this video. When you click it, you're gonna get 3 things all free. Number 1 is a 30-day free trial of the exact software I have my agency clients sell. It's the same one I use and that I'm telling you about. So that way you can see it, set it up, demo it, learn it. Now, number 2 is my team is gonna set up the whole thing for you. The dashboard, the automations, templates, the white label, all of it. You don't have to figure out the tech. And then number 3 is you get my full step-by-step course that walks you through landing your first 5 clients in the next 30 days. This is the exact scripts, outreach process, exact demo, the same one that I'd use myself if I was starting at 0 today. All 3 of those are totally free. So the link's in the description, also in the top pinned comment down below. Click it, get started, and then come back and finish the video because I want to show you the math. So if you close 1 client a week, and I'm being conservative because you're a closer, you'll probably do better at $500 a month each. Here's how it stacks. So month one, you get 4 clients. That's about $2,000 a month. Month 3, 12 clients, just $6,000 a month in monthly recurring revenue. Now, let's say it's month 6 and you don't get one every single week, but most weeks you get a new client. That is 20 clients minimum. You're at $10,000 per month recurring. That is $120,000 per year. Now, month 12, if you keep the pace and you don't let off the gas, you're sitting at 40 potential clients. That is $20,000 a month in MRR, $240,000 a year recurring while you sleep. So compare that to your door-to-door commission structure. Commission is one and done. This compounds. So by year 2, you have year 1's clients still paying you plus everything new on top. And that is the actual difference between a job and a business. Door-to-door is a high-paying job. This is a business that you own. So here's what your week actually looks like once this is rolling. You wake up at like 8 a.m., make a coffee, sit down at your laptop, and you do, 2 hours of outreach, calls, DMs, follow-ups. The same exact work you're already doing, just indoors. You take a break, grab lunch with your wife, pick the kid up from school, a couple of demos in the afternoon, sign someone, log off at 5, and that's a normal day. No more 100-degree summer canvases, no more skipping dinner to chase the doors, and no more Sundays just staring at the ceiling. The work is still there. The work is just compressed and recurring. So there's 3 things that I want to address that you're already thinking. So number 1, Noah, again, I'm not techie. Guys, that does not matter. The software is already built. The funnels are built. Automations are built. There's no coding. You're not designing. You're selling. And that's the only part that's ever mattered. And it's the part you already do better than 99% of the planet. Number 2 is I tried something like this before. Maybe Amazon FBA, maybe a coaching course, maybe real estate licensing. Most of those failed because they required a skill you didn't have. Running ads, building a brand, waiting 6 months for a deal. This one requires the exact skill you already use every single day. And number 3 is, what if I quit doors and this doesn't work? Guys, please do not quit the doors right out the gate. Run them in parallel. You're already disciplined. Take an hour and a half before your shift, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., and just run some outreach. By the time you get 5 clients, you'll know if it's working. And by 10, you'll be able to decide if it is. And by 20, you walk into your manager's office. That's how every door-to-door guy I've coached through this has done it. Nobody quit on day 1. Everybody just phased out. And here's the thing about timing. Local businesses right now are getting hammered by AI. Their old marketing isn't working. Their websites are getting outranked. Their leads are slipping. They're scared, and they're buying anything that promises to fix it. And this is the window. 2 years from now, this gets harder because every kid out of college is going to try this. Right now, you're actually early. Let's say you walk into a roofer's office with a software demo and a script that knows how to handle objections. Like, you are going to clean house. The market is already teed up for you. And the last thing, the link below is going to give you the 30-day trial, the done-for-you setup, and the full step-by-step course, all free. There's no catch. The reason it's free is because once you see it work, you stay a customer of the software, and we both win. And that's the whole business model. So this is genuinely a no-risk way to test if it's for you. So click the link, fill out the application. My team gets you onboarded, walks you through the setup, and hands you the course. And then come back here and drop a comment telling me what company you are knocking for. I read every single one. Your future self, the one who's not on a porch in 110-degree heat next August, is going to thank you for not waiting on this. So let's go. And if you're serious about making a move, make sure to subscribe, because I am posting walkthroughs every single week on how to set this up for local businesses and how to sell and use every feature that this AI automation software offers.